Hello, good morning once again, my dear friend. In this today's video, we are going to learn the sound of U, and U sound has the general U sound. But in this today's video, we are going to learn about the U sound has the like this. You can guess here B U ba, B U ba, C U ka, D U da, F U fa, G U GU G, HU ha, JU ja. A little ha is also with it. जैसे कि ba, ba, like this. LU la, MU ma, NU na. PU pa, RU ra, SU sa, TU ta, VU va, W va. Okay, got it? You have to read it and say loudly in front of your father and mother or any other member in your which is in your family. So here and you have to do this practice till you get the fluency in your pronunciation. You have to pronounce this letter with fluently, and you have to do this practice till you get this accuracy. So guys, see you again in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and keep smiling. Bye bye.